This is my machine. It is an Inspiron 5570. It came with a 1TB HDD for storage, which had some issues. Like the 5400 RPM drive was quite slow at loading applications or simply booting into Windows. पहले मैंने काफ़ी ऑनलाइन फिक्सेस एंड सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढने की कोशिश की, like how to fix the 100% disk usage, cleaning your laptop, or updating BIOS to get rid of the noise. And then ultimately, I ended up buying one of these sticks. Why SSD, you ask? Because it works on a newer technology that is, in simpler terms, very fast and efficient. Speaking of newer technology, market में बहुत different types के SSD available है, जैसे SATA, NVMe, M.2. Now there is not a huge difference in between different SSDs as compared to between a HDD and a SSD. But I chose the best that my machine could handle. Be careful to check online that तुम्हारा system या machine कौन सा hardware support करता है और कौन सा नहीं. Now I had the laptop, I had the SSD, and all I had to do was open it up and put that stick inside. Now मैं ये काम खुद कर सकता था, but एक surgeon कभी खुद का operation नहीं करता. So I headed to the place where I work and asked my sir to do it, who was kind enough to help. And voila! Now I'm enjoying the fast SSD speeds. Also, I went with a fresh install of Windows instead of cloning my HDD to SSD. Want to know more about SSDs and migrating to one? Comment down below and I'll make another video. Also, my next video is going to be about how I set up my machine for programming. So subscribe if you're new here. There's gonna be more awesome content in future.